Welcome back to the channel Gadgets for Gentlemen. In today's video, a quick unboxing of the Magic Trackpad by Apple. I bought it on Amazon, retail price $129 US. I recently bought the Magic mouse, beautiful mouse, but I really couldn't get used to it as much as I did with my Magic Trackpad that I purchased a couple of years ago. So I decided to buy another one. Here in my little office for my Mac Mini. So here we have a brand new Magic keyboard that I'm going to use in combination with the Magic Trackpad. I first tried the Magic mouse, which is a slightly more affordable option, but I didn't like it as much as I like the Magic Trackpad. I think a fantastic design, good price. We have that easy connection with that lightning cable. Fantastic device, but I prefer the Magic Trackpad. So here we have it, and keep an eye, especially on Amazon, sometimes they have great deals. So this requires the Mac with the latest version of Mac OS, and what we have here is a USB-C to Lightning. So unlike the cable that I just showed you, this is not the typical USB cable. So it's not USB-A or USB 3.0, but this cable will be slightly different. So here we have the traditional Lightning to USB-A, I think is the name. And now in this package, there should be a slightly different cable. So let's go right ahead to unboxing this package and show you what to expect, what's inside this box. So you can go with two different colors. This is the color white multi-touch surface, and there's the color black. So I have a complete silver and white setup here with the Mac, so I decided to go with white, and this should also blend in like I showed you with the Magic keyboard. That also has a combination of white and silver. So there we have it. It smells brand new, like we can expect. That is the trackpad, which is quite big, as you can see, compared to an iPad Mini. This is the iPad Mini 5. You can see it's actually quite a big surface, which I prefer for my hands compared to the mouse, as you can see, where you have just a tiny surface to work with. So here I zoomed out a little bit just to show you that product. Beautiful Apple logo. There's some silicon tips on the back. So here we have the Magic Trackpad. There's a on and off switch. There is the Lightning to USB-C port. And it's just a great looking product. As you can see, it has a beautiful, nice shape, V shape. And as you can see on this part, it's quite thin, and then here it's quite a bit thicker. So it has a built-in battery. Let me tell you something about it. It's wireless and rechargeable. It has the multi-touch gestures and force touch technologies. The sensors underneath the trackpad surface detect subtle differences in the amount of pressure you apply, bringing more functionality to your fingertips and enabling a deeper connection to your content. It features a large edge-to-edge gloss surface area, making scrolling and swiping through your favorite content more productive and comfortable than ever. It pairs automatically with your Mac, so you can get to work right away. Not automatically. You use the cable to connect it to your Mac, and it will connect automatically. The rechargeable battery will power it for about a month or more between charges. So 1 month of battery when it's fully charged through that cable, and then it will work for 1 month, which is crazy, in the wireless mode. It also includes a woven USB-C to Lightning cable. So woven, so it's not the regular one. It lets you pair and charge by connecting to a USB-C port on your Mac. So it has force touch, multi-touch. I see that it also works with your iPad, with iPad OS 13.4 or later. So that's some information from the Apple website. Here we have the woven USB-C to Lightning. So very nice. So this cable you could also use, for example, to charge your iPhone. Very fantastic. And here we see that woven material, very nice. I'm going to pair this one up with my Satechi hub for the Mac Mini. And this is how we connect it. The Lightning goes in here, and this one goes to your Mac device or to your hub. And here we can see it connected to the Satechi hub with the USB-C cable going straight to that trackpad. Now, what do we have inside the box? We have some paperwork, and let me just show you whether it's some important information. So the regulatory information, I'm gonna put right back in there, warranty, and I think these are some instructions that could be quite helpful. So yeah, you need to have your Mac working on the latest system. There's the on and off switch that I showed you. There's the Lightning port, and here it shows you how to connect. Of course, you need to switch on the device using the on and off switch, which is found here on the top of the device. So you slide that switch, and then you should see a green surface. Your trackpad will pair automatically with your Mac when connected with that Lightning cable to your device. After the trackpad is paired, you can disconnect the cable and use your trackpad wirelessly. So you can either keep the cable in to charge the device fully, or you can just unplug it, and it will have this wireless connection with your device. The Magic Trackpad has Force Touch, and here are some instructions how to use it. It's just great. I should really study these gestures because I simply don't know all of these things. What I do know is the 2-finger scroll, slide 2 fingers up and down to scroll. That's something I know. Pinch to zoom, I never did it, so I need to study these things. And then the secondary click, right click, click with 2 fingers to open shortcut menus. That's something I do know. Okay, interesting. You can also check the battery level using system preferences and then scroll to the trackpad. When you aren't using the Magic Trackpad, it goes to sleep to conserve battery power. If you won't be using your trackpad for an extended period, turn it off to conserve even more power. You can rename it, you can unpair it, some instructions how to clean it, some information about ergonomics. Yeah, so I'm very excited to get started. So let me just boot up the Mac and show you how easy it is to connect it. So let's boot up both my screen. This is LG as well as my Mac. So that's the screen which should be turned on. And now let's boot up the Mac. So my Mac Mini just booted up, and as you can see right away, the trackpad is already connected. It's so crazy. Brand new, just put in the Lightning to USB-C cable, and it just already works. You have the, for example, when you let me put it like so. For example, when you do the 2 fingers press down, you have the secondary click, as you can see right here. It's just really fantastic. And here when we go to the system setting, we can go to the trackpad, which is located right here in the bottom. Right here we can see the battery status of the Magic Keyboard, 100%. And here we can see the Magic Trackpad, which is 90%. One small detail I noticed with the USB-C port on the Satechi Hub, I think this one is not made for charging. Don't take my word for it. But I think when I want to charge it, I should apply it to the Mac Mini directly. So that's one tiny detail. So all in all, I'm super happy with this Magic Trackpad. In day-to-day use, for me personally, I think it's a bit easier to work with than the Magic mouse, because here I have a bigger surface to work with, and also for the editing I think it's just better overall. So that is a quick video of unboxing the Magic Trackpad. I'll leave a link in the description for you if you want to order this product. I bought it myself on Amazon, which I really love, but then again there should be great deals of this product, so keep an eye with different shops, different vendors. I highly recommend it. I think it's a great product, and reading this instruction manual just gave me some new perspectives on how to operate this device. So again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Also, do check out my other videos. Subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment, throw up a like, and have a great day. See you soon.